Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. For your daily energies, we are picking few cards, guys. For your love reading, it's going to be like a pick a card. I'll be picking cards from each deck, guys. You can choose the pile, skip to the timestamp and watch that, guys. That will come up right after this daily reading. So I have given the timestamp in the description. Let's start with the daily reading first, guys. Gemini, it's 10 of Suns, Astrologer of Spheres in reverse, and Cardinal of Stars in reverse, guys. So with these cards, Gemini, we see that whatever your situation is, you are changing the way you deal with your situation. Maybe you have that careless attitude about you. You are not interested in dealing with your situation effectively. This may relate to your career or personal life, or it may be your person's energy, or someone from your work, or it may be someone from your personal life. So you are facing lots of stressful situations and you have too many burdens on your shoulders and too many responsibilities maybe, and there are certain obstacles in your life, but if you are able to withstand your position, hold on through these tough times, you will be able to see success, guys. Things will change for the better, Gemini. That is also what I see. And maybe sometimes in your situation today, you have that impulse to take part in something without that deep thinking, that carelessness, and that risky attitude or risk taking decisions in your situation. That may be the reason for certain troubles that you see in your situation today, guys. And you are taking risk not for yourself, it may affect the people around you also, people in your work and your personal life. So even their dreams and their aspirations may come into trouble because of the way you deal your situation, and you see a different picture about your situation now, guys. Because of these troubles or because of these stressful things happening in your life, you see a different picture of the way you handle your situation today, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Gemini, for your daily reading. For your love reading, stay tuned, guys. That video is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 piles. So I'll be picking one card from each pile, guys, for your love energy. So you can close your eyes, think of your situation and what you need to get answered for, and you can choose the pile. So let's start with the first pile now. I will start the reading with the first pile after a few seconds of silence, guys. Let's start with the first pile, guys. So I will keep these piles aside. Let's see what is coming up from this deck for your love reading, for those who have chosen this deck, the first deck. One card from this deck, guys. This is the card here. We will think, let's think of that question we need to be answered, and I'll turn the card now. The Sun. So with this card in your situation today, guys, you have that confidence and that strength in your situation today, happiness and contentment, and you are simply radiating joy and happiness today. And this card stands for health, wealth, and joyous acceptance of good things that are raining down in your life today, guys. So all that is good is being offered to you, and in this relationship it may mean that you have found that perfect person that you want to be with, a perfect person to be in this relationship with, and you feel simply happy and triumphant today. And it may also signify marriage with this person. You have that deep understanding, love, and compatibility with this person, guys. And this card stands for marriage, success, and triumph in your situation, emotional fulfillment, and unbounded joy. So you are uncontrollably happy today. Maybe this person is coming to propose to you, or you are going to propose to them, and you have that inspiration. Even in certain tough times, you have that confidence and inspiration, and you are radiating confidence and inspiration, and that may be the reason that this person loves you for your cheerful attitude today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first deck. So let's start with the second deck. So for those who have chosen this deck, we'll be picking one card, guys, from that deck for your love reading. Let us see what is the card. We'll be picking just one card, guys. This is the card here. Let us see, let us think about the question we need to be answered, and we will open the card now. So this is the card, Magician. Such a powerful card in your situation today, guys. So with this card, I see here that you know what you need to do, and you have that determination and skill, and you have that commitment, and you are trying to work in this connection, maybe, guys. And maybe you need to put in efforts, guys. Only if you put in efforts, you will see the results. And maybe you are working towards that understanding with this person, and you want to work towards your dreams. Maybe you want marriage with this person, or they want marriage with you, but you have to have that effort. So that is what I see here, guys. So only if you have you are working, maybe trying to understand this person, trying to spend time with them, get to know them better, and when you have that respect and caring for this person, only then this relationship will begin to work, guys. And when you are committed and responsible in this connection, and you accept each other's role in this connection, and when you work towards that mutual responsibility, respect, understanding, you will see that things will begin to work beautifully, guys. So you have to have that willpower and strength and skill to make this connection work. So that is what this card is about, guys, for those who have chosen this deck, the second deck. Let us see what is the card with the third deck. So this is the third deck. Let us see what is the card. The reading for you all, guys, from this deck. So this is the card here, guys. So let's think of that question we want to be answered, and I'll turn that card now. It's Strength in reverse. So with this card in your situation today, guys, for those who have chosen this deck, you may feel that this person is trying to dominate you in some ways. They are trying to control you, guys, because they are not confident about themselves. They have some low self-esteem. So that may be the reason that this person is trying to control you in some ways, in your decisions, or some kind of an emotional control they are trying to do. And they have low self confidence and low self esteem. That may be the reason they want to impose their rules or their suggestions on you, and they want you to be beneath them always. They have some kind of what to say, a weakness, guys. So they are trying to use their power and authority on you to have that satisfaction for themselves. So they feel satisfied when they see you listening to them, and when they see someone listening to their ideas, or doing anything according to their will and wish. So someone listening to them boosts their confidence, so they want to control you in all ways possible. So that may be the reason that things are going in a stressful way in this connection, guys, because of the way this person behaves. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for your love reading, for those who have chosen the third deck. Thanks again, guys, for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.